The len function in Excel will return the number of characters present in a text string. In other words, len function can be used to find the length of a text string. Suppose I want to find the number of characters present in the name Ajay Anand. Here's how len function can be used for this. Equal, type in len, open parenthesis. Len function has a single argument called text. In this case, Ajay Anand is the text. Double quotes, Ajay Anand, double quotes, close parenthesis. When I press the enter key, formula returned the value 10, the number of characters present in the name Ajay Anand. Note that space is also counted as a character. Let's replace this name with a number. Formula returned the value 4, which is the length of this number. Now to find the length of this name, in other words, to find the number of characters present in this cell E4, equal, len function, open parenthesis, select the cell E4, enter. Formula returned the value 16, the number of characters present in the cell E4. Now let's add a space in between this first name and last name. See the result of the formula updated. Let's add 2 more spaces before the first name. Two more spaces after the last name. Now the total number of characters present in the cell E4 is 21. Let's copy this formula into the cells below. And we have the total number of characters present in the adjacent cells. Now about 2 practical uses of len function. See, we have a list of countries in this column. Now to sort this data according to the length of country names, equal, len function, open parenthesis, select the adjacent cell, enter. We have the length of the text string in the adjacent cell. Let's copy this formula into the cells below. And we have the length of these country names. To sort this data according to the length, right click on any of these cells, sort, largest to smallest. See, we have the longest names in the top and shortest names in the bottom. Again, right click, sort, smallest to largest, and the shortest names came to the top. We can also combine sort by function with the len function to sort text based on their length. Equal, sort by function, open parenthesis, select the cells containing data, comma, len function, open parenthesis. Once again select the cells containing data, close parenthesis, once again close parenthesis, enter. See, we have the shortest name in the top and longest names at the bottom. To reverse this list, comma, -1, enter. And the longest names came to the top. One more example for the use of len function. To highlight the blank cells in this data range, we'll select these cells. In the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In this input box, type in equal, len function, open parenthesis, address of the first cell in the selected data range, that is B4, close parenthesis, equal, 0. If this condition is true, I want this cell to be highlighted in blue. For that, format, fill, select blue color, OK. Once again OK. See, the blank cells in the selected data range are highlighted in blue color. Let me delete these values. And the cells got highlighted in blue color.